Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. First of all, thank you for stopping by on the channel. I hope all is well, and let's get straight into it. Today we'll be going to John's shop to install some parts that I got for the Civic. Big manifold, it's a Golden Eagle manifold, and a couple other things. This is not a how-to video or installation video, but it's just more or less an update on my personal car and showing you guys, I don't want to bore you guys to death, but I do want to say that I am excited to see some progress on this car. Finally, it's been down for several years, and as long as I keep making progress, I'm gonna keep trying to make these little update videos. So comment what you guys think, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Peace out. Shout out to my guy Khalid at Monkey Wrenching Performance. He drilled and tapped these holes for me so I don't have to run an adapter for my J37 throttle body on this manifold, which was a big deal for me. So appreciate you, brother. Real quick before we finish this video, I just wanted to close it out by just kind of showing you guys these magazines. I have a whole bunch of them. These are just some random ones I've grabbed to just read them when I have the chance and just really touch base with what inspired me back in the day. So with that being said, I want to show y'all this article real quick. First of all, this is a Honda Tuning magazine from July of 2012, so this is 12 years old. This like feature right here was pretty dope because this dude's from Puerto Rico. Shout out these people right here who, got the photos and did the article. But it explains that this dude took 5 years to build this. It just reminds me that this shit takes time, man, especially when you want to do something nice, do something with quality parts. But yep, thank you guys for watching, and peace out.